Today, I am going to teach you the advanced part of leaping universal drum, which is 147. The first line is 1, 4, 7, ha, sa. 1, 4, 7, you hit it on the drum. And ha, you make a V shape while squatting down. Then when you shout sa, you make a circle on the side while standing up. The second line is 1, 4, 7, ha, sa. 1, you hit with your right hand while moving it to the back. And you also look at the stick from down to up. 4, you hit with left while crossing over. 7, you also cross over again. Ha, you hit with left while moving it from down to up. When you shout sa, you come to this position. Now, let's try it twice on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. And also to check out our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Nanhua Performing Arts Group. Thank you for joining my class. See you next time. Goodbye.